Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be starting a new project, this restoration of this tractor right here. It was a little too close to a fire and got half baked by it. Now this was on Facebook Marketplace several hours away, so I went and grabbed a U-Haul. The trailer I had was not quite big enough. This one was just barely big enough. We picked it up, drove it all the way back to my place, and unloaded it. This thing is in pretty rough shape, so I want to give you guys updates as I fix each part and give you a quick video to show what we're working on each week. I've been told that the tractor itself only has a couple hundred hours, maybe 150 hours on it. I can't quite tell because the dashboard has been melted pretty badly, but we'll dig into it and figure out if that's true or not. I do actually believe it because the tires still have the rubber tabs on them all the way around, like it was just driven off the lot. So everything should run great, and the engine hasn't even been touched by the heat. It's really just the back half of the tractor. A lot of the plastic pieces, or all of the plastic pieces, have been melted away. So a lot of those parts will have to be replaced with new parts, and then all of the wiring in the back half of the tractors have been completely toasted, just exposed copper wires. That's going to be a little difficult to run new wires and try to match everything up, because right now it just looks like a bowl of spaghetti. All the wires are tangled up and you have no colors to run off of. Now, a quick wash did help make it look a tiny bit better, but not much at all. It just really cleaned off a lot of the soot and ash that was on this tractor. Now I can work on it a little bit easier. Something else I'm gonna have to work on is the backhoe. This got most of the heat. A few of the cylinders should be all right. A couple of them got completely toasted. It looks like the O-rings in here, seals, melted out, so I'll have to redo those. All of the hoses need to be replaced. This side didn't get any heat at all, so that should be fine, and the cylinder at the base of the backhoe that turns it should be okay. This tire is completely melted through. That must have exploded and made quite a bit of noise, so I'll have to repaint that rim and replace the tire. All of the fenders, everything up here, I'm going to be taking apart, repainting it. I'll need a new seat, and then all of the handles, plastic trim, everything has been melted off of this. So my goal for this is to fix this up like a brand new tractor, so you wouldn't even be able to tell this has been in a fire. So that means everything that's melted, everything that has fire damage is going to have to be replaced, or if it's metal, repainted. So stay tuned for future videos. My next video I'm going to be doing is replacing that back left tire. It's hard to move around right now. So that'll be the first project on this tractor, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.